Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Sid's Tips, and today we're talking about a vacuum storage container. This is a 7-liter, and this was sent to me by a company called HAGOOGI. And I look forward to sharing with you and demonstrating it to you. So if you're in the market for one, then you can check it out, and I'll be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comments section. And so you can see what other people have to say about it as well. And there's also a 10-liter one. So if you need one that's bigger, then you can go with that one as well. This could be great, you know, to fit a lot of stuff in here, whether you're putting your pet food or you've got, you know, some other type of food, or maybe even something else that you want vacuum storage and sealed. This does come with a Type-C cable, and there's also a user manual that has some good information as well. And we'll go ahead and dive in. I'll demonstrate it to you here in a minute. And this is the box that it comes in. So very simple. So you got here on top, you've got your Type-C connection, and then obviously it's just a push in, and that will turn it on. And actually I'm gonna go ahead and pop up the button. Now you can see it's flashing green, and there is an indicator for different lights depending upon what you're using it for, and it's mentioned in the manual. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna fill in some bird food that I have, some bird seed, actually for the squirrels, and we'll go ahead and fill it up, and then I'll share with you some specs while it does its thing, which takes up to about a minute. So I'll go ahead and pour that in here. And the squirrels absolutely just love this, by the way. Whoop. See, one of the reasons why I want to use this container is there is a hole in the bag, and you could see it just made a nice big mess. This does smell good, by the way, although these nuts are not meant for human consumption. So the way this is going to work is you just press it down, and you can hear it. It's making the noise. And let me just share some specs with you while we're using this. So it does mention it's 7-liter capacity, 6 to 10 pounds of dry food, and it's BPA plastic. And it also mentions that it's our Airtight dog and food container has an automatic detection function. Vacuum operation runs automatically when the pressure inside the container is below -15 kPa and stops automatically when it reaches -20 kPa. So that's what it just shares. And again, you can get more information in the user manual. So it's nice and quiet, and see, it's already done. Now, if I were to try and lift this, you can see this is vacuum sealed. So that is awesome. Now, the best part when you're using this is listening to the sound of when it's letting the air out, which is truly amazing how this whole thing works and is able to, again, you know, just take all the air out. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the button. I'll be quiet and you can hear this. Here we go. And that was it. Now I can pick it up, and there you go. So you could see it does come off, and again, then I could seal it. Now, if I want to turn the light off and the power off if I'm not using it, you just quickly do 1, 2, 3, and now the light is off, and you're done using it, and you could still take the lid off. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do it again, and let it do its thing. So very simple, easy to use. By the way, underneath these little levers, there is a kind of a silicone rubberized feel there, so that's nice. Everything else is plastic. It seems like it's well made, and there is the bottom. There's no silicone or rubberized legs on the bottom, but that's what you get. Simple to easy to use product, and so many great uses for it. So check it out. If you find this video of help, by the way, appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and find add value, click that subscribe button, and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos just like this one. So have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.